Before starting the course, let me tell you that I am using the Microsoft Excel version 2007. If you are using the newer version or using the Microsoft Excel in Mac, the tutorial will be same for all. There will be a slight difference between any of these versions, or if you are using it in Mac. So you can easily follow this tutorial to learn about the Excel. So starting from the starting, let me tell you that if you open the Microsoft Excel, this is the basic window which is given to you. In this, a basic template is given, that blank template. If you want to use the another templates, then you can easily click on the file button and then new. Then there are many options which are provided to you by the Microsoft Excel. Basically you can choose different type of templates from here, like the install templates which you have installed the earlier one, or my templates, the new from existing, or there are many options given to you. You can choose any of the template and make your file. So as this is a tutorial video, so I am going to start with a blank workbook. Just click on blank and then create. If you create, then this is the basic things you will get. At the topmost you will get different type of tabs here, like the home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula tab, data, review and view. And these tabs, if you choose a particular tab in this, like if you click on insert tab or in page layout, a different type of ribbon will appear. Likewise, that if I click on home, a ribbon appear here. And this, as you can see, that ribbon are the combinations of groups. For example, there are many groups over here in the home tab ribbon. For example, a clipboard, a font group, a alignment group, number group, style group, and cells group, and editing group. Likewise, there are many groups inside a ribbon, and if you click on any of the tab, new ribbons appear here. So there are many options to be chosen from the ribbons. And if you focus that, at the downside of the ribbon, a button is given which is called as launch button. If you click on the launch button, there will be more options given to you. You can choose more options to make your data more beautiful. Okay, then coming to the downside, this is the basic spreadsheet given to you, and this spreadsheet is made up of some, as you can see, there are many boxes which are made over here, and the boxes are known as cell, as the spreadsheet is made up of cells. Then what are cells? The cells are the combinations of the columns and the rows. As you can see on the top of the spreadsheet, that alphabets are written. These alphabets are used to denote the number of columns present in a spreadsheet, whereas the numbers like number 1, number 2, and these are used to denote the rows inside this spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet is just a combination of a row and a column. There are many rows you can choose from here, as there are no defined, I am not sure that how many rows are there, but you can choose according to your data. Then coming to the downside, there are written like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. You can add more sheets over here and make the sheets, and you can easily make your the worksheet like a workbook. Then what is a workbook? The workbook is a combination of more than one sheet. You can use these sheets to enter data, like in sheet 2 you can enter different type of data, in sheet 3 you can enter different one, and the sheets will make a complete workbook for you. Now talking about the worksheet. In the worksheet you can easily move from up to down, or you can move from left to right. Then how to move? There are many ways to move around in a sheet. The most common way is by clicking the arrows which are already present in your keyboard, or there are another way. You can also use the tab key to move to the right side of the sheet, or you can also press the shift plus tab key to move to the left side. And to move the downside, you can use the enter key easily. And to move the upside, as you can already thought about that shift plus enter. you can easily move from one place to another by using these keys, or you can just click on any of the cell to move around in the spreadsheet. The next thing that comes is the range. If you want to understand the range, you should know the basic information about the cells. So as I told you earlier about the cells, so now let us talk about the range. The range is just a simple combination of some cells. Likewise, I have selected some random cells inside a worksheet. So the random cell which I selected are known as the range. Likewise, if I selected 2, 3, 4, or any how much cell I want, the particular amount of selected area will be known as your range. So you can easily increase or decrease your range by selecting a defined area or an undefined area inside a worksheet.